Hello friends, on today's video, we'll be going over on how to access the Zoom H1n menu. Now, as you may notice, the Zoom H1 already has a lot of dedicated physical buttons to change some of the menus. For example, it has this dial up here to change the gain, and it also has these 4 buttons here at the front where you can change the sample rate, you can turn on the low cut, you can set up a limiter on or off, or you can also do the auto level feature on or off. But other than that, there is no dedicated button that says menu on it. And this information was included in the manual that came with the Zoom H1n. But maybe you got a little bit too excited like me and threw that manual away with the box, and now you have no clue how to access the complete menu. For example, if you want to format your SD card, on this side here we can see that there is no dedicated button that says menu, and on this side as well we have nothing that indicates a menu. Now, to access the full menu, there is a trick, and what you want to do is turn the Zoom H1n off. So I am going to turn it off. Do that by holding this, and then it's gonna say goodbye. Now it is completely off. So what you want to do here is you want to press and hold this button right here with the trash icon, and then you want to power the unit while you're holding that button. So let's try it. Press and hold, turn it on. And what you're going to see is that the settings menu is now been pulled up. Isn't that awesome? And here you can change the date and time. You can change LCD settings. You can change battery settings to choose what kind of battery you're running on your H1n. You can do auto power off. You can change the record settings. And here's where you find the SD card settings. If we go into that, you can see that you can format it and you can also test it. And to get back, you press this button. So you will use these 4 buttons to navigate through the menu. These 2 to go up and down, and then the audio level and the audio. This is exit and this is to enter the other menus. You can see the version that you're running, the system 1.19. Now, if your Zoom H1n has that system version, then you shouldn't worry about getting an update because that is the current version, at least as of the making of this video. Okay, let's see what else we find here. We can change the language and we can do a factory reset. And to exit the menu, you just go ahead and press exit. It's gonna save the settings to the SD card. And then we are back on the regular Zoom H1n menu. And that is how to access the Zoom H1n menu. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like. And also, if you haven't, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I am right now at about 250, but with your help, hopefully I can get to 1,000 at the end of this year. And also, don't forget to clean 8-bit.